Alright guys, so I'm hoping that you recall from using your periodic table that it is these group numbers that are the valence electrons for all of the elements in that group. Okay, so oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium all have 6 valence electrons, for example. So you simply need to find what the elements are and then the number of valence electrons for those elements, and then add them all up. So, for example, sulfur and oxygen. There's sulfur, there's oxygen, they both have 6. So, since sulfur has 6, there's only 1. There are 2 oxygens, each of which has 6. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18 valence electrons. Now, if you have a negative charge, an anion, remember you're going to add because electrons are negative, so you're adding electrical charge. So I have phosphorus and oxygen. Now I've already established that I have 3 oxygens, each of which has 6. Okay, so that's done. So phosphorus is right there. That has 5 valence electrons. Now, that is a negative charge. That means I'm going to add electrons because electrons are negatively charged, so I'm going to add 2. Actually, I just realized I've made a mistake. That should be PO3 minus. So I'll have to fix that in the Bellringer. Anyway, so that means that I'm going to add 3. So 5 plus 3 times 6, which is 18. 5 plus 18 is 23. Plus 3 is 26 valence electrons. Now, if you are a cation, which is a positive ion, you are going to subtract electrons. Alright? Because to be a positive charge, you have to take away negative charge. So, nitrogen and hydrogen. So, hydrogen, obviously, 1 valence electron. Nitrogen, 5. So, nitrogen, 5. Plus 4 times 1. That is a subtract 1 because it's a positive charge. 5 plus 4 is 9, minus 1 is 8 valence electrons. And that is how you find the total valence electrons for molecules